I've been with the Coast Guard. This August will be 38 years, and it just feels like I started yesterday, to be honest. I have worked from coast to coast to coast, so I've worked on the east coast of Newfoundland, I've worked on the west coast, and I've worked in the Arctic, so we've got to see a lot of the country.
I like the fast pace, taking something, renewing it, the collaboration between everybody, watching the plan be executed.
One thing that I love is that I'm never bored. You know, if you've got a little bit of interest, the world's your oyster.
Something different every day. It's not the same repetitive work.
I made the jump over about 2 years ago. I was always envious of the work-life balance that the Canadian Coast Guard offered.
When I stepped foot in here 7 months ago, I had no experience at all, and I picked it up so easily.
You can come in at any level, you can go to the Coast Guard College, you can go to other institutions and be trained.
Professionally, as an electrician, we're exposed to so much gear, so much equipment.
I've been working with the Coast Guard for 12 years. The first 11 of that was kind of bouncing all over the fleet. I've got quite a bit of experience working at sea and now kind of getting to see how things work on the other side of it.
It takes very dedicated people to achieve something like this, and they all have to work together.
In a number of months from now, we might be participating in a search and rescue. There is a source of pride to that.
Oftentimes when I'm on a phone call and I've said to this Canadian Coast Guard ship, the first thing that people say, they thank you for your service and everything that the Coast Guard does, which is very nice to hear. And we do feel a lot of pride working for the Coast Guard, without a doubt.